guys, and welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings of 4 sorts of boxes and some product reviews and sometimes some travel and adventure, then make sure that you go ahead and you subscribe to my channel. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, then woohoo, welcome back my beautifuls. Woohoo, I have a new box for you guys and I'm like super excited. Woohoo. Okay, let's get started with DivaFresh. So this is a new box for me, and hopefully it's a new box for you too. And once we're done unboxing, you guys get your little fingers ready and start clicking away to subscribe, right? So with that said, guys, I will give you guys a little bit of information, but then I will leave full details on the description down below. So let's get started. So the DivaFresh box, you get to access the latest 4 to 5 standard products with branded names. Ooh, that's already a plus. You get to subscribe to 3, 6, and 12 months packages, and everything else I'll leave down there for you guys because I want to get started. So, and I'm pretty sure you guys want me to start digging in this box, right? So first of all, guys, look how cute the box is. I love all the emojis. Super adorable. Isn't it cute? Like super cute. Okay, so once I open my box, guys, whoop, this is what it looks like. Okay, so we have thank you Diva, enjoy your beauty box, your support means the world. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I don't have an information card. Maybe it's here. No, so I'll show you guys. I will start digging stuff out and showing you guys. Okay, so my first item is from Biosands, and this is, no idea what this is. Let's see, but this is what the box looks like. Oh, it looks fancy. Okay, look at it. Let me get a closer to try to focus, and I can't see because the letters are like super tiny. So this is not even with the glasses, I can't see it. It's a face oil. It's a precious rose face oil. That's what that is. Okay, so it's a face oil. The bottle is like, it's small, but it's like super cute. Let's see what. Oh, feels so nice and soft. And it has like a really light scent to it, like super light. Oh my god, I wish you guys can like see that. I know it's gonna be hard for you guys to. But it's like super nice and soft. It's not sticky and it's not thick or anything like that. It's super nice. Next up, we have an Elizabeth Arden, and I don't know if this is a powder or what it is. Okay, you know what, I'm just gonna leave my glasses on. Okay, so Elizabeth Arden, and it's from New York, and this is a cream makeup. Oh, nice. And it's in vanilla. Oh, this is like my perfect. I think you have to probably do like a profile, because how did they know this was like my, look, it's like, this is like my color. It's like perfect. Wow. Let's see. Yep. Look at that, guys. Whoa. And it has like no scent to it either, so I love that. Next up, we have a Bliss Blood Orange White Pepper Body Butter. It's maximum moisture cream, and that's what it looks like, and it is sealed. I'm sure it smells amazing. Next up, we have a Lady Pulp from Givenchy. All this box is like full of name brand stuff, huh? I am loving this. Ooh, I love the color. Look how pretty. This box was like made for me. Like seriously. Oh my God, it's so scary. It's like, look at that. Look how pretty that is. And then, no way. Name brand stuff, guys. Name brand stuff. Okay. And then last but not least, no way. An eyeshadow palette from Juvia's. This is my first eyeshadow palette from this brand. I've been dying to like get a palette, but I don't know why I have not. I have like no, and I just dropped the box. I have like no idea why I have not gotten a palette. So I'm super excited. No way. Look at the colors. Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this pink. It's called Fula or Fula. I love it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And that was this one right here. That one. That is gorgeous. That, and look, it's still in my finger. That is gorgeous. I'm so excited. Oh, I love this box. Oh my God, I hope I get this box like every month because I'm like super excited. I'm going to use all this stuff like tomorrow. Not today because I'm not going anywhere today, but as of tomorrow. So with that said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this box. This box is awesome. So get ready to subscribe and leave any comments, questions, whatever you want on the description down below, as long as it's good. And I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye guys.